Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing one of the most exciting quizzes. Guess the country name by its flag. You'll see a flag, and you'll get 3 options. Sounds easy? Let's see how many you can get right. So grab your seat, stay sharp, and let's jump straight into the quiz. Ready? Here comes first question. This flag related to which country? 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 Great job, everyone! Hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me in the comments, how many did you get right? If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. More fun quizzes are coming your way every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.